Hello, I'd like to try and show you in this short presentation, this short video, a selection of technologies available for commercialization from Trinity College Dublin, particularly the ICT technologies. We've got such a vast array of technologies that I've tried to show them in a mind map format to show how they're interconnected so you get a feel for the types of technologies available for commercial use from Trinity researchers. I apologize for the sound. For some reason, it sounds like I'm speaking from the bottom of a barrel, and it sounds like there's water dripping nearby. Can't figure that out. I've tried a couple of sound drivers, but anyway, here goes. So here's a broad overview of the technologies in the broad areas of health, wireless, security, sensors, very hot area at the moment, finance, Web 2.0, next generation web, semantic web, ontology mapping, the web of meaning, for example. Also audio video processing, which links quite nicely with image processing. So let's go through a couple of these in a little bit more detail. If you look at wireless, we've got technologies like, for example, software-defined radio. Trinity is a world-leading group of researchers in the area of SDR. They've got a whole toolkit for software-defined radio called Iris, and that's been commercialized by a spin-out company, a pre-spin-out called Reconfigure. You can go to reconfigure.com to see more. In more general wireless, we've got Sura, which is a spin-out which has a very neat solution for offloading from 2GSM to Wi-Fi seamlessly, which is transparent to the user and to the mobile operator. Also in wireless, we've got some technologies which link to wireless security. There's a spin-out called Impartio, which is working in the area of encryption and encrypting a product called Ciphertext, which encrypts text messages and emails stored on your phone, and some other very interesting world groundbreaking technologies in encryption. In sensors, we've got a team working on, for example, sensor middleware. This is the same team that brought Iona Technologies, which was a middleware platform, to the market. They're specializing in it's a broad platform, but they're specializing in the area of intelligent transport control, intelligent traffic control. There's a diagram there showing how a multiple array of sensors can be used to build an efficient traffic system. In the area of finance, we've got two very interesting spin-outs, analyzing texts in the blogosphere or on the interweb. One analyzes the trust of people that are talking about financial products, another looks at the sentiment analysis, the sentiment of what people are saying on the internet. The sentiment company spin-out is called Trope.com. Trope is the Irish for trend, and the trust analysis spin-out is called City. And as you can see, their tagline there is the wisdom in the crowd. In web, next generation web, we've got a collaborative search tool called Sophie. In audio video processing, we've got a post-production automatic video editing suite that can assemble a nice, easy, realistic video stream from a number of video inputs and audio inputs that will always be focused on the speaker, but it doesn't require any manual input. Sports analysis of video, we've got a lot of expertise in that area. There's a spin-out called Recitel, which looks at speech-to-text synchronization for e-learning, for teaching English to K-12 groups or to English as a foreign language. They're also looking at audio spatial projection. In image processing, we've got a lot of stuff in this area. We've got a crowd and city simulation called Metropolis, which simulates virtual crowds. It's actually quite hard to do, to make the crowd look very real with different clothing, different activities going on to make the crowd look real. We've got Windwatch, a system that uses vanilla $1 video cameras to detect obstacles, to build a map of the surroundings by comparing two video images. Deploy that for tests at Dublin Airport on this test vehicle. Other researchers are working on rendering photorealistic images through ray tracing in real time by deploying it in FPGA. And there's a spin out there called Quaternion Labs. We've also got some neural network analysis of images for annotation of medical images. Endoscopy Quality is a research project funded by Enterprise Ireland, as many of these projects are, which measures the quality of endoscopy, it graphs in real time the quality of the image, how quickly is the scope moving, is part of the bowel being missed during the process, so we can get a figure at the end and say, basically rate the endoscope session. Also in health, we've got a spin-out called Glanta with a project called Sure Wash, which is a hand wash monitor that again uses cheap video cameras to ensure that hands are washed using the proper medical standards from the WHO. There's a training, there's an image of the training apparatus that has been deployed in hospitals in the UK and Ireland. Other health projects who are here on the social entrepreneurship. We've got a very nice spin-out called Solace, which provides social networking, closed social networking for children that are in full-time hospital care, so they can interact with their friends and family through social networks. We've got a company called Trinity Clinical Apps, which specializes in medical apps on the iOS, on the iPhone, and on the iPad. And the first product is a stroke toolkit, which has a collection of stroke tests, which would be typically used by a clinician in the hospital environment. And that's developed by researchers in the medical school, in the teaching hospital, St. James's in Dublin, and in cooperation with computer science at Trinity. So basically, that's just an overview of some of the technologies. If you want more information, they will be attached to this video. You'll see links. So thanks for your time, and apologies again for the sound quality.